Hey there. Welcome back to the InstantGMP Document Management System training series. In this session, we're going to walk through how to add a document and take it through the approval process. Let's dive in. On the Document Management Summary screen, you'll see a lot of helpful features. On the far left, you can hide documents. Next to that are quick action icons that let you edit document info, print to PDF, and version up. The status column shows you where each document stands in the workflow. You'll also see important details like effective and review dates, the document title, classification, type, system-generated ID, version number, and whether the document is encrypted. There's also a clickable link to open the file directly. Up at the top, you've got buttons to add a new record or export the list to Excel. Let's go ahead and add a document. Click the Add New Record button. Now you're in the Create Document screen. Work your way down the form. Choose a classification and document type from the drop-down menus. For this example, we're going with Training as the classification and Quality as the type. Under Source, you can either upload an existing file or create one online. In this case, we're uploading. Click the Upload button, select your file, and confirm the upload. The system will automatically assign a document number, but there's a field for your company's internal ID if needed. Add a title. The scope field is optional. The system will pre-fill the reason for change as New Document. Set the effective date, apply tags if you'd like. Let's add the Training tag, and then assign reviewers and approvers. Once that's set, sign and click Confirm. After saving, you'll land on the Document Overview screen. To return to the document, click the title link. You'll see the saved cover page under the General tab. If you click the Update button, you'll notice that many fields are now read-only. To change those, you'd need to version up or supersede the document. Check the Tags tab to review the tags you just applied. Head over to the History log to see a real-time audit trail of actions on the document. Since this is new, there probably won't be much there yet. When you're ready to begin the review cycle, click Submit for review. That triggers automatic notifications to everyone assigned as a reviewer. Once you're in the review process, and if you're a reviewer, you'll see additional options appear. You can add comments or suggest changes. Clicking Add Comment brings up a text box. Just type your note, sign digitally, and confirm. If you're uploading a revised version of the document, click Add Change, attach your updated file, write a short summary of the edits, and sign again. All of these actions are recorded in the History log. After making changes, head to the Review tab and sign to confirm that you've completed your review. If you need to start over, you can sign under Restart Review. Once all reviewers have signed, the system will automatically alert the approvers. On the Approval tab, you'll see your final options. You can approve the document and lock it in place, restart the review or approval process if needed, or reject the document entirely. In this case, everything looks good, so I'm signing off with the Approve button. Once the first signature is in, the document becomes locked. And that's it. You've just created a document and walked it through the full approval workflow in InstantGMP. Next up, we'll show you how the DMS integrates seamlessly with electronic batch records. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.